In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $15,250 in commission just in one single month by promoting affiliate links using free traffic without any website and without any paid ads. I will share with you guys new methods that you should start using if you want to earn some commission with affiliate marketing, and let's get started. So I made this commission just in one single month in the month of March, okay? From the first day of March until the last day of March 31. I will click on update, and here you go. The numbers are still the same numbers because this is my affiliate account dashboard. Okay, I'm not sharing with you screenshot like other people sharing screenshots. I made this commission, I made this commission, but who shares a dashboard affiliate account like this? Okay, and as you can see in my balance, I have $3,120 available. I will still get more commission and I will be able to withdraw the money again by the end of this month, and I will still share with you guys the result of this month again. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page, okay, and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, so you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission and you can make a lot of money. So just click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine. So after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do next, you will go back to your YouTube homepage, open your YouTube homepage like this. It's super easy and click over here. So why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors. Okay, you can get so much traffic from YouTube if you do it correctly, because millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, specific product topics, and so much more using YouTube, because YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one, YouTube is number two. Okay, and you should really start using YouTube to promote your affiliate links for free. So click over here on the search and ask question. So for example, I will ask how to, let's say for example, how to rank a website, and here you go. You just need to ask question and YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. This is report search prediction. As you can see, that's what people are searching for on YouTube. People are searching for how to rank a website on Google first page, how to rank a website in Google, how to rank a website in specific country, how to rank a website fast. Those people who are searching for this topic, you will go back to your home page. Let me show you. Go back to your home page on Fiverr, click on the search for website SEO. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing this service about website SEO. This service will help those people who are searching for how to rank a website on Google to rank their website in the first page. Okay, because those people are expert. Okay, they have experience and they know exactly how to do it. Okay, so I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good seller. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews, So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so we will choose this one. Is really looking good. This one is level 2 seller. Okay, he has a lot of reviews. This is an agency maybe. Okay, yes, our agency will do 33 steps Google SEO. Okay, this one is really looking good. So just click on this service. You will click on this service. Okay, and you will be directly in this profile seller page on Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to copy this seller profile link. Okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. Okay, before we do that, we need to go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr and click over here on read more. Scroll down and you should see over here about this gig. Okay, so click over here on his video. This seller has a video that's really good. Okay, good. Double click on the video, click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. You will name it SEO website, save, and here you go. What you need to do next, you need to go to Google, search for Canva. We will use Canva to edit this video. Search for Canva, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Canva. Okay, so just click over here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload, click on upload file and upload this video. Okay, about website SEO. Open, upload this video to your Canva account. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, and here you go. Click on text, scroll down, choose which text style you want to use. For example, I will use this one. Click on the text style and your text will be over here. I will delete the second one and I will make it decrease the font size of your text and put your text here. Double click on your text and write the sentence, check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description and make this text like this, and here you go. Put this text here, click on elements, scroll down, click on ship, use this one, click on color, choose black color. Okay, and put this ship behind your text like this, and here you go. After you finish, click on your video first and click on volume and just decrease the volume to 0. Okay, we don't want the background music, it's just annoying. Okay, let's check now. Okay, it's really looking good. Explaining this website SEO service to people who will be interested to buy this service. Okay, to rank their website in the first page of Google. So here you go. Click on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel, copy this title, how to rank a website on Google first page. Exactly like this. Copy this website, copy this YouTube title like this. Okay, use this title for your YouTube video. Go back to your YouTube, to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here. If you don't have this Fiverr CPA old plan, you can copy your affiliate link from here. It's almost the same because I have all the Fiverr affiliate account, and that's why I have this option still available in my account. So for you, copy this one and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description, and that's it. That's how you can promote those affiliate links on YouTube using free traffic and start making commission. Okay, those people who are searching for how to rank a website on Google first page, how to rank a website in Google, how to rank a website in specific countries, those people will be interested to buy this service, to rank their YouTube, their website on Google in the first page. Okay, a lot of people will be interested. So if they click on continue buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission, and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, but you need to stay consistent, keep improving, and do more research. Choose services that are related to topics that people are searching for on YouTube, and if you follow those steps and if you stay consistent, you can make a lot of money with this method using free traffic, promoting affiliate links. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. So for people who don't know exactly how to do it, how to promote your affiliate links on YouTube, how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, I will leave a link of a video in my description below showing you step by step how you can do it. Okay, and that's it.